how to set a default SIM card for cellular data usage on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Cellular. Next, tap on Cellular Data. And from here, I have two SIM, the primary and the work eSIM. So choose which SIM card that you want to use as your default for your cellular data. After that, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Now, additionally, you can also turn on allow cellular data switching. So if, for example, one SIM card has a very weak network, it will automatically switch to the other one. If the other one has a better coverage, network coverage, it will use the other SIM card instead. However, if you do not want to use that feature, you can switch it off. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.